Hello friends! Welcome to Geolytics Learning. Today I'm going to show you how to use Python shell as a calculator. What is a Python shell? A Python shell is a tool in Python, also known as Python console, useful for trying and exploring simple Python code. It's a great tool for learning and experimenting with Python functions and statements. You may have learned about the order of operations in math in school. The order of operations is very important in this lesson. If you haven't learned it, don't panic. I'm going to tell you how it works right now. Math operators, such as multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, have different orders of operation. For example, multiplication and division are done before addition and subtraction. When you want to change the order of this execution, you can use brackets to indicate which operations you want to do first. You enclose that operation between the brackets. When an expression has multiple operators with the same precedence, the expression will be evaluated from left to right. Let's see some examples in the Python console. Let's start with the basic example where the expressions only have one operator. To use Python console as a calculator, simply enter the expression you want to calculate, in this case 7 plus 3, and press enter to see the answer. Now, let's experiment with other expressions. 6 plus 9, that equals 15. Let's try 2 plus 4 plus 7. Here, since the operators have the same precedence, Python will evaluate the expression from left to right. 2 plus 4 will be calculated first, and then the result will be added to 7. Here are more examples of expressions that have multiple operators with the same precedence. 7 plus 3 minus 8. 7 plus 3 will be evaluated first, which is 10. Then Python will evaluate 10 minus 8. The same for 9 minus 5 plus 4. Subtraction and addition have the same level of precedence, so the expression will be calculated from left to right. 9 minus 5, which is 4, then 4 plus 4 will give you 8. The next example illustrates the same concept but uses multiplication and division. 2 times 4 divided by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. Then 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Let's do one more example. 4 divided by 4 times 5. From left to right, Python evaluates 4 divided by 4, which is 1, then multiplies it by 5. That equals 5. Now, we will see how expressions that contain operators with different levels of precedence are evaluated. Our first example is to calculate 7 plus 3 times 2. We need to be careful here because multiplication has a higher order of evaluation than addition. 3 times 2 will be evaluated first, and then the result 6 will be added to 7, which gives us the answer of 13. Let's do some more. 9 minus 2 times 4. 2 times 4 will be evaluated by Python first, and 9 will be subtracted by the result, which gives us 1. 10 minus 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 will be evaluated first, which gives us 2. Then 2 is subtracted from 10, giving us 8. You can always change the order of operations using brackets. Let's do some of those. In brackets, 7 plus 3 times 2. Even though addition has lower precedence than multiplication, 7 plus 3 is evaluated first because they are in brackets, giving us 10. Then 10 is multiplied by 2, which results in 20. Let's move on to the next one. In brackets, 9 minus 2 times 4. 9 minus 2 are within brackets, so they are calculated first, which results in 7. Then it is multiplied by 4, giving us 28. Let's do the last example. In brackets, 10 minus 6 divided by 3. 10 minus 6 is 4, and 4 divided by 3 is 1.3. Now you know how to use Python console as a calculator, and you have also learned the order of operations. Remember, the best way to learn programming is by doing, so make sure you practice these exercises. If you want to learn more with us, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications so that you will never miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.